up, Adventure Buddies? Welcome to our Day 3 trip of Costa Rica. Here, we start turning up the heat when it comes to adventure.
But before we give away too much, let's hurry up and get started and cue the intro.
On day 3, we started increasing the level of intensity and adventure and decided to go whitewater rafting with Amigos Del Rio. These guys were awesome. The link is right down in the description. But really, how would Adventure Buddies start to spend their Thanksgiving? Duh.
I feel the warmth of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart. Makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair.
This was our first time whitewater rafting, and boy was it fun. We did class 2 and 3 rabbits. We did class 2 and class 3 rapids, and we got soaking wet.
It's really soaky.
It's really soaking.
Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. Sparkling blue. I wanna be with you always, always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better. I know I'm in a better. I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better. I know I'm in a better. I know I'm in a better. I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better. I know I'm in a better. I know I'm in a better. I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better. I know I'm in a better. I know I'm in a better. I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. I feel the warmth of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart. Makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. I'm here in my bed. Without love,
After we went to a cool pizza restaurant and we ate a whole pizza by ourselves. I couldn't believe little John here ate the whole thing. It's really big.
Before everybody else.
Talk about a Thanksgiving dinner. Today for dinner we are going to have authentic Costa Rican cuisine. Just kidding.
Welcome to our Thanksgiving dinner.
It's horrible. Just kidding. It's the best. This is my last life. Wish me luck. I'm like a grumbler. Then our awesome host somehow found it was Jake's birthday. And then we celebrated Jake's birthday with a Tres Leches cake.
Yay.
That wraps up day 3 of our Costa Rican trip.
And guys, what did you like the most? Comment down below and also hit the like, subscribe, and the bell for notifications.
Alright guys, you heard the man. And remember, life's an adventure. Who you going on it with?